Dylan.
Mike, it's me, Mike. I came back for you.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's a surprise.
Ta-da! Can I come in?
Why do you want to come in?
'Cause I missed you, Mike. We've got unfinished business, right?
After a year and a half, you can just turn up at my door and we'll get back together just like that.
I know, Mike, I know, but you love me.
You love me.
I love you, Mike. I love you.
You can say it a bit louder than that.
Mike, I love you, right? Can I come in?
Look, Kaylin, I got something to tell you.
What is it, Mike? What is it?
I got married last week. I'm actually on my honeymoon in Cancun.
You're on your honeymoon?
Yeah, I'm just on the Wi-Fi.
But you know what, Mike? I hope it rains.
Okay, good luck, Kaylin.